Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send your location to someone in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Click on the inbox option in the bottom section of your screen. Open the chat of the person to whom you wanna send the location. Click on the arrow icon in the bottom section of your screen. And if you're sure, click on Send Location option. So that is how you can send your location to someone in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.